Sekta mar le mag bunge kata Kenya Wildlife Service owacho ni madirom ji 40 osewito ngimagi kaluwore kod monj mag le mag bunge ka ji maromo 77 to oseyudo hinyruok e higni 3 mokalo. Director mar KWS Ngire Rastas Kanga wacho ni giyudo sani giseyudo buche 3857 e nonro margi mar kwota mokwongo chakre dwe mar 1 nyaka dwe mar 3 higani.
Between January and March 2025, our field teams managed to respond to 3,857 incidences of human-wildlife conflict, which tragically included 40 human deaths and 77 serious injuries within a span of 3 years. We also responded to 1,532 cases of crop damage, 632 incidences of livestock predation. These figures are a stark reminder of the real human cost of human-wildlife conflict and the reason why we gather here today.
Ngire Kanga bende oyango chenro magiseketo mar kedo kod monj mag le mag bunge e pacho kae.
Kenya Wildlife Service has ramped up its field operations in human-wildlife conflict hotspots like Meru, Kajiado, Taita Taveta, and Narok. Our teams conducted 2,412 problem animal control patrols, 109 stakeholder meetings with local communities, 355 targeted wildlife drives. We elect predator-proof bombers, construct electric fences, solar-powered predator deterrent rights, and construct water ponds for use by wildlife and communities. In addition, Your Excellency, KWS supports alternative livelihoods for communities such as beekeeping, fish farming, and fodder production to help diversify livelihood and incomes.
Wadhi kaunti ma Migori kama